This footage is an FCPD asset. Any unauthorized viewing will result in legal penalties. At approximately 6:30 p.m. yesterday, a 13-year-old boy named Scott Birmingham went missing from his home in Finn County, California, along with his brother, a 9-year-old boy named Richie Birmingham. 3 items were found at their last known location, one being a shoe, a flashlight, and a camera. Though most of the footage on the camera was destroyed, a small segment remained.
Taylor, but I'm really scared.
Well,
We've been looking for miles.
it's just how it's gonna have to go. What's that? Oh, what the f is that? I can't help now. I gotta keep running. Somebody hear this, help me. Please, help.
Even after rigorous analysis, results on their whereabouts remain inconclusive. Because of this and other causes, we have installed an 8 p.m. curfew for all residents. We have also set up a perimeter around the county. No citizen shall be allowed within 5 feet of this perimeter. Violators will be shot on sight. This footage is an FCPD asset. Any unauthorized viewing will result in legal penalties. At approximately 3:45 a.m. today, dispatchers received a call from a distressed homeowner claiming that an odd, humanoid-like being had broken into their home and had begun searching for them. By the time officers had arrived, the house was in a state of disarray. However, in one room, 2 bodies were located, the body of the homeowner and the body of the presumed being.